I selected the team Voyage in Unity mainly because of the transition from the COVID pandemic. I felt like the past 2 years have been a strain and a burden in many of people's lives, especially amongst our 3 causes, which are women of domestic abuse and violence, mental health, wellness, and also children with special needs. And I felt like we needed this Voyage in Unity, and we chose a sailboat to represent our team because the sails sort of function as sort of a drive towards a goal, a certain goal to achieve.
2022 is becoming very nice and blooming out really well. I can feel the sense of new normal setting in. So I want to get back into that norm, and that's what pulls me towards running this marathon this year.
Chariofare is considered as my first big event in IMU. Me and my colleagues and also my students also can gather together in one day.
My impression of it is it's a very good non-profitable organization that really helps people or causes under it. So it has a lot of events that's ongoing. But unfortunately, when I first joined, it was an online version of it. But this year I get to see a lot of fun.
These are charity events that we always wanted to join as well. And to be honest, I don't expect to have so much of crowd today. And before I came for this particular interview, my item was sold out.
It's my first time, and it's fun that I managed to bring some people who are outside of our IMU but they are lost, and then I bring them around, get their stuff, yeah, and then make new friends. It's fun.
For me, I'm really enjoying myself because during COVID, we didn't really get to meet our friends and everything. So when having such a big event like this actually gave us a chance to meet a lot of people and actually interact like normal. So it's really, really fun.
You get to do it together, and you're not just running for your physical fitness, you're also running for a cause. If you really want to do something that benefits you and the community, this is the best time to start.
Chariofare is one moment we always look forward because that's one time of the year where students and the entire IMU faculty and everybody in IMU comes together. We don't know who is who, but we are all together.
I hope everyone watching this enjoyed our event, and I hope this will be a milestone all of you will be looking forward to seeing again.